welcome to my channel. My name is Casey and I'm an Amazon seller. I've been doing it for about 2.5 years now, and I have created this channel to help people learn about how to sell on Amazon because it has changed my life and I know it can change yours as well. Everybody's having a great day. Today I'm going to be doing a video on online sourcing, which is what I enjoy to do. I need to find some new products, and I know many of y'all out there just want to learn how to source online because a lot of us cannot get out to the stores like some people can. For example, if you have a full-time job, if you have kids. That's mine, not taking my 4-year-old into the store. Every time I take him into the stores, he wants me to buy him something. And then that just eats into my profit. So I'd rather just order it online and have it delivered to me. Or I will do pickup orders too. That's another good way. You can do a pickup order at Walmart, at Target, at Sam's, wherever. The only place you can't do pickup order at is like TJ Maxx, Ross. You're going to have to go into the store and scan for that stuff. So today we are going to be sourcing. I will be showing you some products I find, also some products I cannot show, but I will still show you the profit on it. And I will also be announcing something new at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so let's take this product right here. I can see that I can get it at Kohl's, at Sephora for about $12. If I look, okay, I can have it shipped to me. Well, let's deep dive into it now. So with this right here, I can see the estimated sales, and you can see May was 41, April was 30, March was 61, and then it always gives me this right here where it's like kind of tells me the stats on it. So the reason why it's red is the price is unstable. So it has the average return on investment at 29% ROI, and the BSR is 1%, which, like I said, I like to go by numbers, not the percentages, but the profit is $3.55, and it says this deal has an average profit. So if I can see right here, it always puts the buy box in right here. So the buy box is $23. That's what the buy box is. But I can tell by this the lowest price is actually $12. So what does that mean? Why does the $12 not have the buy box? Well, this is the reason why that $12 seller does not have the buy box. If I go to all the sellers, I can see they are out till June 21st through 22nd. Well, it's only the 9th. Sellers who can get it there before are going to get the buy box over them. So I can see right here, July 3rd through 5th, so the $16.99 won't get the buy box either. June 18th through 19th is still out there. They don't have the buy box. 18th through 22nd, they still don't have the buy box. 29th through 30th, not going to have it. 22nd through 23rd, not going to have it. Especially July 5th, not going to have it. And I just keep on going down until I see, okay, this June 13th through 15th, which is 2078. They have a real good chance of getting it soon. And I just kind of go off of this to see what is the soonest. So it looks like to me, this seller right here, that is June 11th in their prime at $23, there's 2 of them. Those are the ones who have the buy box. So let's see, Ruby versus Happy Blossom. So now I'm going to go back up here. This one right here is who actually's got the buy box. And when I went and looked at the actual listing, which is this one right here, but on Amazon, they say they only have 6 in stock, which is showing 7 right here. So they're going to be selling out soon because the sales rank on this item is 3,400 in health and household, so which is a really good sales rank. Okay, so now let's deep dive into the Keepa chart. So I am going to look at it at 30 days. So this first one I'm going to look at is the BSR. Okay, BSR below 10,000, below 10,000, below 10,000. Okay, this one has an average BSR. Alright, so now I want to look at the buy box price on it. 23, 23, 20, 23. Okay, up or 20. Okay, it drops down to 20. A 12 gets the buy box, which are those ones that sell out pretty quick. 12, 18, 18, 12, 18. So now I see where it's talking about that the price is very unstable. It's all over the place. So my only concern with this one would be, could I get the buy box as a FBM seller? Because more than likely I would probably send this in FBM just because the price is all over the place. So I can see FBM was $20.98, buy box $20.98. Okay, FBM $20.93, buy box $20.93. Not right there. Buy box not right there. So I can see on this chart where FBM does get the buy box occasionally. So as an FBM seller, this might be okay to go grab a couple and see if you can sell them or not. Just like as a test sell. You know, don't go over there and clear the whole rack. Just go buy like a couple and see if it sells. Then if it sells and the price is still staying pretty good and you know you can get the buy box as an FBM seller, then I would go and get more. So another thing you can do is if you see it selling a lot, then you can send it into FBA because it still makes money FBA too. Super light item, so it would be really easy to ship FBM. But if you want to do FBA on it and you tried FBM and you notice it's selling, then go ahead and ship some in. Because you're probably going to get the buy box a little bit easier doing FBA since there is so many FBA sellers on the listing. Okay, so this one right here I can get for $9.49. It is selling for $28, well $28.30. It ships super light, so $4, making a profit of $10 on it at a ROI of 111%. You can see it has sold a good bit just now because this is a summer item. So this is something more that people are going to buy in the summer. And I will show you the Keepa chart to explain it a little bit more. Okay, so if I'm looking at the Keepa chart, I can see that back in March, this BSR was pretty high. And then in April, it got a little lower. And in May, it actually went back up in May. But look at this dip towards the end of May, June. Because it's something for summer, it's something hot, and it has just started warming up in a lot of places. So now all of a sudden it's starting to sell a lot better, which is why the sales rank has went down. Leads like that one and then like the one I'm about to show y'all, but I'm not going to show you the actual product, are leads that I post in my Facebook group that I have. It is $69 a month and you get leads. Usually it's about like 5 at a time. And I might do it like 3 to 4 days a week. It just depends how my schedule's going. But that's what I post. And then, of course, we have Zoom calls in there. So I do a research night, which is basically I research, other people research, and then we put in a group chat what all we find. And we talk about it, while we are researching. And then I also have a Zoom call that is just basically you asking any questions that you might have, along with you can ask the questions in the group too. So if you are interested in that and finding some good leads and interested in getting some help, you can check out in the description in this video the link for that Facebook group. Okay, so this one right here I found, and the buy price on it is $6. The sell price is $17.29. It's pretty light to ship, probably about $5. And it makes a profit of $3.70. That's an ROI of 61%. So again, with this one, I can see that it wasn't selling and then it started selling. So the buy box was like 126 and then 3, 2. But that honestly could be because it was out of stock too, because I don't see any sellers on it. So my guess on that would be that it was out of stock. That's why the buy box was so high. Once it came back in stock somewhere, that it started to sell pretty quickly because it was a popular item. So that's stuff you have to look out for too. You might want to find stuff that was out of stock and all of a sudden they're back in stock, and it might have a high sales rate, but it was selling really good when it was in stock. And the way you can just figure that out is by Keepa, because it shows. So I can see back in July of 2022, which might have been when the item was easy to get, it was selling like crazy. And then through here was probably when it was out of stock, and now it's back in stock, so it's selling again. Okay, y'all, so that was just a little information about how to really deep dive into items to see if they are any good or not, and to see like maybe are they selling now, were they not selling before, you know, should I jump on this listing, should I not jump on that listing. Same goes with if Amazon is in stock and then Amazon is out of stock. So you want to check the Keepa chart to see how often does Amazon go in and out of stock. Now, if it is an item that Amazon's going in and out of stock a lot on, I would suggest not to do this item FBA, because you never know when they're going to come back in stock. So by the time it gets checked into the Amazon warehouse, Amazon might be back in stock. So the best thing is to go ahead and FBM it real quick, because you could sell it same day FBM in it. So that's why I say that with certain items, some items just make sense FBA and some items just make sense FBM. You just have to do your research and see which way is better for that item to go. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all about the new thing I'm going to roll out. So, of course, I have my 60-minute mentorship call, which is an hour-long Zoom call where you can ask me anything you need to ask me. That's $60 one-time fee. And then I have my $200 mentorship, which is basically you get my phone number to text me anytime you need to. Like, okay, you're going to get out of it what you put into it. So basically, what you text me, I'm here to answer all your questions. So you have that ability to ask me anything about Amazon that you might have. And then you also get the Facebook group, and then you also get one of those 60-minute Zoom calls. And that is a fee every month. So there's that too. But what I'm rolling out is more geared towards my new people who are extremely new to where they haven't even signed up yet. Or maybe you signed up and you're just in the beginning stages. This is for very, very new people. So basically, here's what it is. It is selling on Amazon 4-week Zoom classes. So week 1, we're going to go over signing up, the documents needed. Week 2, we're going to walk through the website, the app, go over any Amazon rules to keep y'all out of the danger zone. Week 3, I'm going to discuss how to send in shipments. I'm going to discuss FBA and FBM. And then week 4, we're going to go over sourcing completely. So after those 4 weeks, you should be on your way. So I have the first class is starting in July, and you have to sign up by 26th. It runs July 10th, July 17th, 24th, and 31st. And it is at 7 p.m. Eastern time every Monday night through that month. The next class I have will be in August and you have to sign up by July 24th for that one. Runs the 7th, the 14th, the 21st, and the 28th. So again, every Monday night at 7 p.m. Eastern time. And those 4 weeks, we will go over that stuff. It's basically a Zoom call to where I am going to teach y'all everything that y'all need to know on those topics each week. So if you are new and needing help, reach out and look into that. Maybe if you want to do a 60-minute call just to kind of go over where you're at and should you do that class, you can look into that. Reach out to me. I put my email in the description in this video. So if you need the help, just check out my website. I have all kinds of offerings on there that could help you out with selling on Amazon. So one thing I do ask this week is in the comments in this video, please give me some suggestions of what kind of videos y'all would like to see with selling on Amazon. I have some ideas for new videos coming up, but I would love to see what y'all have, because of course y'all are the audience and I want to know what y'all need help with and what y'all would like to see. So I will try to be back next week. I am trying to get these videos out. I know my schedule has been like really crazy. I've been doing a lot more sales than I did last year at this time, which my dad had just came home from the hospital last year, so that might be why. But usually I do have a summer slump, but for some reason this year I don't have it. Maybe it's the kind of items that I'm finding, but just letting y'all know it's out there right now because I'm definitely selling stuff, and I have other people in my Facebook group who's definitely selling stuff and other people that I'm mentoring also. So guys, until next week, bye.
Mm-hmm.